How to make mojito. This is an authentic recipe for mojito. I sized the recipe for 1 serving, but you can adjust it accordingly and make a pitcher full. It's a very refreshing drink for hot summer days. Ingredients: A. 10 fresh mint leaves. B. 1/2 medium lime, cut into 3 wedges, divided. C. 2 tablespoons white sugar, or to taste. D. 1 cup ice cubes, or as needed. E. 1½ fluid ounces white rum. F. Half a cup club soda, or as needed. Directions: 1. Place mint leaves and 1 lime wedge into a sturdy glass. Use a muddler and crush to release mint oils and lime juice. 2. Add remaining lime wedges and 2 tablespoons sugar, and muddle again to release the lime juice. Do not strain the mixture. 3. Fill the glass almost to the top with ice. 4. Pour in rum and fill the glass with club soda. 5. Stir, taste, and add more sugar if desired. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.